So ginawa natin yung scenario na yun para mm, alam mo na siya mentally. So you know mentally what to expect and what to prepare. Hello, good morning. So today we have an actual road ride with one of our students, Miss Ja. Miss Ja, yan. So we're riding to Marilake, going to one of the breakfast spots there. It will be her first actual na road ride with her Ninja 500. With us is Coach Pao. Coach Pao, wave yan. All right, we're here at Cafe Natividad. Again with si Miss Ja are here. And Coach Pao. Around mga 30 kilometers going here. And siguro naman na-check na natin yung ano ba yung mga number one. Oh, yun nga. Di ba pala kami nakakabalik? Oh, sige, mamaya ulit. Video ulit mamaya. Yung nakabalik na. At least ito, kita natin. Naka-arrive na dito sa Cafe Natividad. Yan. This is usually where we bring our students who join in our actual road riding every first Wednesday of the month.